Appreciate Verba Dental Group for all it does, and then why I'm interested in coming back to this group specifically, because growing up, my mom told me she didn't have, healthcare insurance when we first came to America, and she was so grateful for a dentist that pulled her tooth for free, that was giving her a toothache. And then since then, one of my things is that I want to be part of a group that likes to give back to the community and provide free care for those that can't afford it. Just my parents were one of those, I was one of those. And now being able to give back to people that I can relate to is something really meaningful to myself.
Time to Smile is just something that we try to do to give back to the community. We've been amazingly blessed, by our community. And so this, on Veterans Day, we thought was, an appropriate way just to kind of connect. And, I feel so blessed to have Dr. Alfano and all our partners that have, pitched in to make this possible. And then just the support we get from our staff is just incredible. All the help we get. We have students from Central Penn College. We have some dentists from the Army War College. I mean, it's just a great collaborative thing.
So I met my wife in dental school. We were both in the same graduate year at Pitt Dental School. We started dating on a mission trip when we went to Jamaica. And we had such a good time giving back to that community up in the mountains, in the Blue Mountain in Jamaica. We went back for a second year, and that's kind of where we started our relationship on a mission trip. So giving back to a community is something we've always wanted to do, and go back to do these mission trips. And we found it's kind of hard to get out and travel with kids at home, so that's why we like to start doing this type of mission trip locally with the community that we practice and live in.
I'm just appreciative for everything that the veterans have done for all of us.
We get to help a lot of different people from different backgrounds and just situations, and the results of dentistry. Not only is it beneficial for their health, but it also makes us feel good that we're doing something to make a difference in their lives.
I heard about it on TV on Monday. I called immediately and got an appointment for today, Saturday, at 10 o'clock.
And did they take good care of you?
Absolutely wonderful. Can't be more pleased. I appreciate everything you've done for me and are going to do.
So the needs among our veterans are extremely high at this point. The access to care for our soldiers has diminished over the years. To include the Guard and Reserve is probably the most needy population. A lot of those soldiers actually join the military for services, for medical services, for dental services. But unfortunately, there's not enough providers that are willing to help with that and take the fee schedule. So them getting care is almost nil. And so we're trying to figure that out. It's a legislative problem that we have right now that we need to fix as a community, as a dental community, to get services for our soldiers. But their access to care is really, really low. It's a very sad state of affairs. So when I heard about the event Time to Smile, I was so excited because these are my people, these are my soldiers, these are my former soldiers, these are people who sacrificed a lot for our country. And I just have so much gratitude for people that formerly served or currently serving. And so to provide them with care that maybe they haven't had access to, so excited to be here, so excited to serve the population that I enjoy most serving.
I think unfortunately in the Army Reserves it's hard to get good dental care because when we go for our yearly checkups, they only do an exam and x-rays. They don't give a cleaning, or they'll refer you out and then it's hard to follow up with them. So it's really nice to be able to have this opportunity, and it's hard to get in with TRICARE insurance because it's not accepted in most places. So it's nice to be able to offer a free dental day for veterans. Well, I love to volunteer, especially in something like this where I can help fellow veterans. I think we put a lot of time into taking care of other people and then forget to take care of our own needs, especially medical, dental, anything like that. We're always, serving the country, serving others, and it's nice to be able to give back to those people, especially
veterans, even more so people that aren't serving anymore, that are out. Having a group of people that not only do something like this, but then the atmosphere has been great. Everybody here, you can tell, is very happy and excited to be here doing this today. And the fact that it's all volunteer time really makes it mean even more.